Hello guys, this is the third day of exploring Kathmandu, the capital of Nepal. Today we made it to Chandragiri, which is a tiny little town, just a couple of, like 4 kilometers away from Kathmandu, where they have the cable car. They go all the way on top of the mountains, so that's what we're gonna try to do right now. And it seems like a little bit expensive, but we are gonna try to make it all the way. This is the mountains. So you have it there, you start there, then you go all the way where you can see the Himalayas range, the mountains. And apparently some locals, they said you can see also the mountain Everest. Mr. Everest is visible also. So we're gonna try to go all the way up there and see how it is. We just got here and we found some local sweets.
200 grams.
What do you think about these sweets?
Wow, I love it.
You like it?
Wow,
Strong?
it's really strong.
Yeah, now it's Nepali taste.
2 grams. Vamos a quedar sin diente.
Sure?
Sweet? Sweet. Mmm.
The sweets, that doesn't taste like sweets.
No.
Some of them are sweets.
Peanut. Oh, with coconut. Coconut. Pero cuidado que te vas a romper Déjame
Victor
ver.
said, what is this? This is a rock.
Yeah.
Como panela.
No, pero tiene coco. ¿Llame? 200 rupees, 200 grams.
Yeah, Nepali sweets.
I don't like this one.
Thank you. Donibat. These are rocks.
Yeah, pero de aquí, from here we go to the dentist. So after here we go. So it's gonna be more expensive. Después de aquí vamos al dentista porque va a salir muy caro porque te va a romper todos los dientes.
They're really good sweets though. Victor, ¿cómo estás? ¿Qué pasó?
Todo bien.
Our fan is from Ecuador.
Yes.
You are gonna be on YouTube.
Follow, like and follow.
Yeah.
Follow, like and subscribe.
Yeah.
And share with your friends.
Mariana, la esposa de Mariana.
1,000 people are gonna see you, so it's enough. Bienvenidos a la carretera Rubway. Cable car.
Bienvenido.
We just got to the cable car. And this is the place. So now we're gonna go and check for the prices. And from here they have like a beautiful view. Here you can see the entire, the other side of Chandragiri. It's a big tower actually. This is the area, you have a lot of people, you have food, you can have some food. People are waiting on the line for the cable car. And this is the ticketer, where you buy the ticket. It's a huge line. I think we need to wait for, I don't know, for a couple of hours.
In Nepal.
I'm born in India.
In Assam.
Yeah.
Ah. Wow.
¿Qué pasa? Uh-oh. We got here and we couldn't come all the way up because the road is dangerous.
What is happening?
Yeah, I couldn't come up because
It's the hilly, it's very hilly.
it's very hilly. There's a tiny brick here where he's asking how we can go all the way up to the mountain. Should we go?
Yeah.
¿Qué pasó? All the way up here. So this is the way. It's really, really tricky. We're still hiking up, guys. We just made it almost. The taxi driver just bring us here, and it's just no road anymore. Just these stairs. Vamos! We made it.
This is a cable station.
Yeah. We made it, guys, finally. And this is the station of the roadway of the cable car. And we still need to go to the top. There's a place on top. And this is the station, the roadway here. And this is the Himalayas from here. It's a little cloudy today, but it's still visible. So what happened?
We are here in the cable car, in Kathmandu. But the Chandragiri cable car is really expensive. It's $22 back and forth per person for foreigners. So we decided it's too expensive, so we took an actual taxi.
Okay.
And you make the deal with the taxi. So tell the story about the taxi.
So I was walking around and looking for another option. So I found a taxi driver. I asked him. He said, "Okay, let's make it there." I said, "Okay, 5,000," and then we made it to 2,500, which is good for us.
And he takes like a route that is very dangerous.
Yeah.
You guys will see, because he needed to push the cart and it's in the rocks and it's like sliding. And it's in the mountains, but it was all worth it. And then you need to do a short hiking for maybe 20 minutes to be able to see the Himalaya range.
Right.
We love it. It's really nice. Yeah, and it's not that clear. If you guys check our Darjeeling videos, you guys will see the Kanchenjunga very clear. But we're gonna continue in Nepal, so I guess we will have the opportunity to see it more close, like the range. And yeah.
So this is the roadway station. Now we need to go all the way up more.
Yeah, we're gonna hike.
This way? No, this way.
Let's check here. Let's see what it's
They have another way.
It's a nice viewpoint.
We are glad that we took the taxi, because for the rope is expensive and it's not worth it because it is not.
The view is cloudy.
It's a little cloudy. And from here you can see the entire Kathmandu
Valley, the entire Kathmandu Valley.
Yes, wow.
Beautiful.
This is the entire Kathmandu. Wow, this is like huge hills.
Yeah, this is a valley, Kathmandu Valley.
Yeah. Now we're gonna try to make it more high. To the
Little
toppest
bit
peak, a
high
little
to
bit
the
more high.
Peak
Yeah.
from the cable car.
Yeah. So we can see the station, as we mentioned. Well, you need to walk a little bit more up. And this is the Mr. Everest from here. So it's from here, but it's a little cloudy. ¿Qué pasa, chica? ¿Qué pasa? No pasa nada. Qué fuerte. We made it.
We made it.
This is zip line from here. This is zip line. We do zip line here. ¿Qué pasa, la chica? Bienvenue à Himalayas range.
Chandragiri Hills.
Yeah.
Chandragiri Hills.
They have a lot of activities here. A lot. You have the zip line.
They have zip lining, horse riding, swing, wall climbing, free wall. They have playground. They have restaurants.
Wow.
They have a conference hall. They have a fast food center. So yeah, they have vegetarian
everything.
cash counter. They have ATM down in the main one.
This is Shiva Temple.
Shiva Temple, yes.
Oh.
And the top of the zip lining in the cable car. Beautiful temple.
Oh, this is the cafe. Wow, it's a really clean restaurant though. Wow. Oh my god. Let's go and check the binoculars. Wow. This is amazing. And this is the temple from here.
We're in Bhaleswor Mahadev Temple.
Bhaleswor Mahadev. So yeah, this is the Bhaleswor Mahadev on top of the hill also. So people come here and spray. And as always, you have to remove your shoes. Oh, that's so cute. Hanuman. Baby Ganesh. This is Baby Ganesh. ¿Cómo estás? Place for the candles.
So here this says Ganesh Himal range.
Yeah, we can go there.
And then you have the line Kang Himal range.
If you come to this hills, you don't wanna do this cable car. Just look for him. Look, this his face.
Name and his phone number. Because
His phone
people
number.
will need it.
Yeah. So if you come here, it's affordable. This is how you do it. We're just bothering like they're moving this thing around. This is another one, another bill. And this is inside the temple from here.
Like a Shiva
A family.
family.
Like Ganesh, Parvati.
Yeah, he's just only what is called that one? Changing when the
Avatar.
avatar.
An avatar.
So, yeah,
Well, he's one of the avatars of
one
Lord
of the
Shiva.
Shiva.
Ah, okay.
Bajrangabali.
Bajrangabali.
That's the
Hey,
mantra of
Bajrang-
honeymoon.
Bajrang-
The honeymoon.
Bajrang means his name is a different many names of Bajrangbali
Bajrangabali.
and Hanuman.
This is the team. What happened? A magic bike.
Bike and zip line also appear.
Oh, zip line about biking.
Zip line.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, but she's going so slow. Wow, you made it. Everest. Okay, amigos, it's time to go back. Because it's getting late and it's getting dark. ¿Qué pasa, chicos?
What happened? Mariana wants to leave in the cable car.
It's okay, so guys, we are going all the way back.
We
We're
have
done with
one.
Chandragiri Hills. We are done with Chandragiri Hills.
Yes.
See.
And Mariana took the cable car.
Yeah, let's take the cable car because
One shoulder.
because she's a little bit ill, so she cannot do it. She's gonna go all the way back.
Yes.
Right?
So we're back. Back on track.
Back on track. Wow, no, it's easy. Victor is already in Kathmandu.
Yes, Victoria is already in Kathmandu and Mariana is already at the airport.
Finally, we made it to the car, and it's right there. With all the way from here. I don't know how many stairs, but it was a lot, a couple of
Probably
hundreds
like
of
20
stairs.
minutes.
Yeah. No.
It's really fast.
Fast, yeah.
Venezuela or
Yeah.
Morocco?
Morocco, Africa,
You're from where?
Africa.
Who you're from where? What's your country?
Mine.
Huh? Cleaning.
We are right. Victor, how was it? How did you like it?
It was super fast.
Yeah.
Fue demasiado rápido.
Sí.
It was very beautiful this street.
The tree name.
Yeah, I like this trail. Yeah, it's all the way. Our humble taxi car. He's cleaning it before starting.
We're getting ready to go
Yeah.
to Kathmandu.
Go all the way to Kathmandu. And this is the park. See, if you come through the taxi, they bring you all the way here, and then you continue by walk all the way up there. There's like a couple of hundreds, like a trail.
But
It's not far. If you are familiar with the like hiking, it's not gonna be much.
Yeah.
It's not difficult.
It needs to stairs.
It's like it's stairs, yeah. So, there's a monkey there.
Yes, a monkey.
Yeah.
Yes. You see? It's down there.
Really? Hey, monkey! Hello, we go.
There you have it.
Let's go. So guys, this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you like it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you have any comments, any suggestions, don't forget to put them below in the comment. And again, see you in the next one.